Now for the inside. Okay. Added porch. Has steps over there. Let's see how much we can see. There's a bar. Whole bar room. There might have been a door there. There's a door there. Oh, I bet that goes downstairs. Alright. This floor is completely out. And then that's the upstairs. See a lot better today. Stove we're working on taking out. Front door that didn't get closed. Somebody was paranoid. This you can see dips. This one's a little bit harder to see, but it also dips. The cabinets are real wood, they're savable. We have a bathroom here. Part of a laundry room. Ooh, look at that. Another part of the laundry room. Floor's probably not so good. There's a secret room back here that we haven't gone into yet. Pool table. This room leads to that porch, and the stairs that go up are cluttered. So I think that's the whole downstairs. There's that hole from outside. Go upstairs next. Yeah, we just moved the dresser and the thing. Yeah, there's this weird little
Oh, what's over there?
just a little closet under the stairs. It's empty. Oh yeah.
This was an awesome ass house at some point.
Yeah, it was. Oh shit. The floor right there is gone.
I heard you step on it, yeah. Alright, I'm getting out of this bitch.
Yup.
Taking my bow with me.
Oh, hey. Alright. So we got through the black door in the bar.
Black door with the bar under.
Found the basement door. Next we'll do the basement. And the wall was removed from this side. Look at that. This was a light. An air duct. Now for upstairs. Had to put that there, so it's coming down. Bedroom 1, it's a big one. Oh, look at that dream catcher. That guy might be worth something. A closet with attic access. Squatters were in here 6-8 months ago, we were told. Here's a full bathroom upstairs. Bedroom 2. Game chair. Alright. Bedroom 3. Donnie said he cleaned this one out. 4. Armoire might be worth grabbing. 5. 6. This is we got a plastic this. That's the roof of the one porch. There's the neighbors. Alright, and then bedroom 7. I'll go this way first. There's the corner of the house. Here's the roof. Little closet. Oh yeah, it might be a crystal doorknob. Try to saw these doors maybe. Look at that glass. Bedroom 8. Full of shit. Let's see if I can get to that door. Oh, it's nailed shut. I'll show you the other side of it. Oh, bathtub. That's the stairs going down. And here is, that door is over there. There it is. Attic access, but not much of an attic. Oh. Yeah. And that's upstairs. 8 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.